The D-30 can be transported by surface transport, put on the ground by planes AN-12, AN-22, and of course the Il-76, which, by the way, can hold 3 howitzers. They are installed on a special platform P-7. A multi-dome parachute system with 4 main and several more auxiliary parachutes is used. After the slipway is open, howitzers are ejected, parachutes open, 2 side panels are detached from the platform to open the anti-vibration system. It is 6 inflatable bags to buffer the impact when it hits the ground. There's also an automatic uncoupling function not to let the parachute drag the platform.